What's the meaning of caption? Caption. Caption.
Caption. Caption. A caption is a brief description or title that accompanies an image, graph, chart, or other type of visual content. It is usually placed below or beside the visual and is intended to provide context, explain the content, or add additional information that is not immediately visible in the image. Captions are commonly used in print media such as newspapers and magazines, as well as online on social media platforms and websites. Without a caption, viewers may not fully understand the meaning or significance of the visual content.